Just a quick life update, quick design update this time. Purely just talking, no editing whatsoever. And a little bit more on what's going on. Today is a really good day, that I can tell you. Let's just say I've graduated and I am so thankful, so grateful, and I feel so blessed. And that's going to be another story, another video when I'm ready to share. So watch out for that. Okay? I think I am ready to share it, but it will just be another day, not today. As what's her name from Game of Thrones said? Arya. Not today. Is it? Is that what she said? Something like that. If you've watched Game of Thrones, let me know down below the exact words. But for now, let's go have a chit chat while I walk around the condo. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if you think it's worth sharing. I'm not forcing you on anything. But I just want to give you a sneak peek also of how the condo has been so far. I am still waiting for a couch. I decided I'm not getting anything that's temporary fix. I'm getting something substantial, something that will be a forever furniture, if you will. That's my new thing, a forever furniture. Right now, I'm actually catching up on my K-drama, which I've missed during the whole trip. And my favorite artwork that I've had for a while and I cannot get rid of. I just can't get rid of her. It just so reminds me of the time when I was doing wedding photography and when I was a blogger, food blogger. And it just reminds me so much of myself because I had that same hairstyle, the same turtleneck, and I have the same camera. And I have the exact photo even before I found this artwork. That's just another side of me that you might not have known, but now you do. So, just to give you a glimpse of the existing arrangement, here I've decided to move one ottoman, well, both ottomans, both benches in the living area. I decided to put one here that I've covered in velvet brown. I'm so obsessed with browns. See? Look at this. This one I got from the trip. It was very helpful. This is how it's going. This couch is a temporary one. I just covered it in brown velvet. So if you're someone who's clamoring for changing the look of your space and you don't have the budget to get a new couch, to switch to a brown couch, one of the colors that will stick around, I will link the Amazon finds for these. So it's actually an alabaster fabric from West Elm. I got the couch from West Elm. It's a component of a sectional. So I bought it just because we need something. I already sold my two couches. We cannot live without a sofa in the living room, especially when I'm binging on my K drama. So I just had to get it. My daughter, Samia, wants to take it. She's moving apartments again soon and she's going to be taking it. And that's why I was saying this is just a temporary fix again. And that's why it's taking me so long to decide on which one. I don't want to regret my choice this time. And if you've seen my previous videos, I've bought and returned, sold, but I just can't get it yet because I don't have the space to store it while I still have this temporary couch. But I think this is doable for someone who's looking to change your space. I just got those covers. I got a cover for the backrest. I got a cover for the seat, and it's a bench seat. And I found the perfect size, perfect cover, and the matching backrest, and sort of matching cover for the main frame and the arm. That's right here. And, it's not going down all the way, but that's okay. And, add throw pillows. And if you're into prints right now, I just got this from Anthropology. And, it gives that illusion of the trend. And it's very warm. And it's really nice. I put this ottoman here because we are loungers. We need to put our legs up when we're watching. In the dining area, it's downsized. We've downsized to a round dining table, but that extends to at least 6 people. Comfortably 4 as is, but it can extend to 6, and it's unfinished when I got it. Again, I will link that in the descriptions if you want to check it out. It's very sturdy. It's still need to finish it. I just don't have the time yet. I have the color, I have the stain. I am staining it. I'm not painting it, definitely. I think that's a good spot for her at the moment. As far as the TV is concerned, I've styled it as minimally as I can with all my accessories. I've sold a lot of items, accessories that I've accumulated, and I am going minimal in terms of the number of things that you see, but not necessarily going minimal style design. And that's how I am. I am a minimalist. I cannot go bare and I cannot go chaotic either. That's minimalism for you. And that's me. And that's my K drama. I got the Samsung frame TV, a smaller TV this time for the living room because proportionately that's a better size. It's supposed to be. You leave 6 inches on both sides at least. So the frame, that is dun 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 dun. It's an artwork. It's an artwork that I got from Facebook Marketplace. I took out the artwork, used the frame, and voila, it fits perfectly. It took me a while also to find the perfect size. It's not the best size, but it works right now. I watch my K drama and the captions are slightly covered. I'll have to fix that. But right now, it works, doesn't it? Imagine it's an artwork, but not anymore. It's a frame for my Samsung frame TV. And that's another tip for you. And then the fireplace is also a work in progress. I found an insert from Facebook Marketplace for cheap. It just stopped working. So that's something that I'll have to replace, find a better one, and do a lot of things around it. And of course, the added storage that I've shown you in my previous video. If you did not see that yet, I will link it down below as well in the descriptions if you want to see it. And that's just how this living area is. Now, if I go to the kitchen, one thing we've done temporarily is put Mr. M's workspace. His work from home space is now in the kitchen, but again, that's a temporary thing. The coffee station is still there. I got the table and the chair from the curb. You know, wintry day, stormy day. I braved it and picked it up from the streets. S- And that's how you can tell it's temporary. Although it is a solid piece. Don't get me wrong, it's not like a flimsy one. I am working on the backsplash also, trying to take down the ones that I did 2 years ago, I would say. I think it's time to change up. Ta-da! Just a teaser. The best part of the trip. That's my update for today. The next video will be about that's when I will be showing you the traveling side of Cess Interiors. So I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope you're learning something out of these videos, not just this one. Just watch out, okay? Watch out for the next one because it's going to be exciting and fun. And I can't wait to edit. I can't wait to post, to publish. I can't wait to show all of you. So make sure that you come back. I hope you like this video. And until the next one, love and light to all. Remember, style is what you make or break. Bye.